Welcome to Learn AI with Michelle. Today, I want to share with you how AI is helping people, individuals like you and me, solve problems in business and in life. And I want to use an example that everybody can relate to because everybody has skin. So, the past 10 years, I've used a brand of skincare that had a skincare assessment that you could do prior to buying a product. And it would ask you a lot of questions about your skin, about your habits, about where you live, your environment. And based on the answers to those questions, it would recommend which products would be best for your skin. Now, what I decided to do with AI is set myself up for a similar kind of assessment using Google Gemini. And it could have been ChatGPT, it could have been Claude, but I chose Google because Google has been the center of content and search for years, so I just chose that AI for this experiment. So what I did is I gave this Google Gemini context. I said, "I've been using a particular brand of skincare for 10 years. I need to make a change. Here are some reasons." And it came back and asked me, what are your habits? Do you use 2 or 3 products a day? Do you use it twice a day? Do you use more than 6 products a day? It started asking me questions about my usage and what kinds of things I'd done in the past. It then asked me about my budget. How much do you want to spend? And after asking all of these questions, Google Gemini went out and it laid out for me a morning routine and an evening routine, which interestingly were all different products, not the same. Well, one of them was the same in the morning and night, but most everything was different. So very specific, and it stayed within my budget. So what's interesting though is as I went out to look at these products, one of the examples was the serum that was going to be used at night. When I went and looked at that serum, it had 15,000 reviews. Every other product in that particular brand's portfolio had 2,000 or 500 or just much, much smaller numbers. But Google Gemini found that particular brand's best product. Now, I haven't researched every single one like that yet, but I want to point out something that I think AI does for us that we haven't been able to do in the past. And that is AI is able to go across brands, but I want you to think a little bit further across disciplines, across brands to solve a problem. So we're able not only to find our perfect solution, in this case for skincare, within a particular brand's portfolio, but go out and get the best from any brand in any portfolio to solve our unique needs at our budget price. Now, that is power. Now, think about this though in terms of important issues like more these are important. Skincare matters, but things like cancer research. In the past, all of our disciplines have been inside of particular silos, but now with AI, we're able to do deep research across all disciplines, across all silos of data where things are stored, and get unique solutions to life problems like skincare or curing cancer. But what about your small business? This has not been accessible to you. As a small business owner, this is your opportunity and time to have equal access to data. Social media gave us equal access to voice. The internet gave us equal access to knowledge that was published. And now AI gives us equal access to intelligence. So think AI, whether it's your skincare or your business problems. I want to encourage you to discipline yourself to start thinking, how can I test AI? How can I explore AI and begin to understand how it can help me solve my business problems, my unique business problems, and put AI to work. Thanks for watching Learn AI with Michelle. Follow me on Instagram, YouTube, or LinkedIn to continue to learn how you can put AI to work for your small business.